Hey everyone, it's Len from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your washer sprayer nozzles. You may have one that's shooting down, up, left, right. It should be spraying somewhere near the center / lower area of your windshield, so when your wiper blades come up, they'll wash the fluid up and then it'll come back down. So we'll give it a little spray, I'll show you what it's doing, and then we'll go ahead and go with an adjustment. We might make a few adjustments to get it where it needs to be. Here we go. As you can tell, that shoots a little low. Let's hit it again. I'd like to bring that left side up. Passenger side looks fairly decent. We might be able to go up a little bit more with that. Let's give it an adjustment and then we'll give it a try again. Just gonna come over here. I'm gonna carefully lift up this wiper blade arm, making sure that it doesn't come slamming down into your windshield. Glass is expensive. You can use a small pocket screwdriver, a large pocket screwdriver, anything really that can get inside here. And you just want to kind of stick it in and then make your adjustment. I'll try holding it down at the same time this time. I felt it go up quite a bit. Let's hope that it shoots right about this area of the windshield, or even maybe a little higher. We don't want it up anywhere in this range, that would be a waste. Here to here is perfect range. Down here is bad, up here is bad. I'm going to lower this down gently again, being careful for our glass. Here we go. Looks a little better. Let's hit it one more time. I think that's perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.